Another 64 coronavirus-related fatalities were reported Tuesday, August 18 by the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health, bringing the total number of deaths since the pandemic began to 5,335. County officials also reported 1,003 new cases of the disease, although they noted a large lab did not issue a report Tuesday, which contributed to the lower number of people diagnosed with the coronavirus. Still, daily hospitalizations due to the coronavirus have declined 37% since mid-July, with about one-third of those patients in intensive care units. There are currently 352 people with the infection in county hospitals, compared with 219 in mid-July. The decreasing number of daily hospitalizations is one of the best indicators that our efforts over the last few weeks are working, as it is an accurate representation of how many people are currently seriously ill from the virus, the department said in a press release. The county's midday report did not include the cities of Pasadena and Long Beach, which operate their own health departments. Long Beach reported 5 more deaths, taking its total to 195, and 59 new cases, for a total of 9,736. Pasadena confirmed 15 new cases Tuesday, for a total of 248 since the pandemic began, but again added no new deaths to its total of 111. While highly contagious, the disease causes mild symptoms in most people. But it can cause severe complications or death in older people or those with underlying health conditions, such as high blood pressure or obesity. A total of 45 of the 64 new deaths occurred in people over the age of 65 and 50 had underlying health conditions, the county reported. Latinos have accounted for about half of the county's total deaths since the pandemic began, while 92% of all those who died suffered from underlying health conditions. County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer urged people not to let their guard down. Individuals who test positive are capable of infecting others 48 hours before they have any symptoms or a positive test result, she said. The best way to prevent transmission is to take universal precautions, she added. Keep 6 feet apart from others, wear a face covering outside. As of Tuesday, more than 2.1 million people have been tested for the virus in the county. The overall positivity rate throughout the pandemic remains at about 10%, but the most recent 7-day average of positive tests is about 6%, Ferrer said Monday. The county now complies with 5 of the state's 6 benchmarks measuring efforts to slow the spread of the virus. The only state benchmark the county is not meeting is the 14-day daily average of new cases per 100,000 residents. The county is currently averaging about 295 new cases per 100,000 residents, while the state benchmark is 100 or less. Until the county can reach that mark, it will remain on the state's coronavirus monitoring list, which prevents schools and additional businesses from reopening.